In this video, we will show you how to change username on YouTube. To change our username channel, first the requirement is we must have more than 1000 subscribers to be able to edit our channel username. And to edit your username, after you are logged into your dashboard, you can just click your channel icon. Then go to customize channel. After that, you can select basic info, and then you can custom your channel username or URL in here. You can edit or delete in here. Okay, if you want to edit, you can just delete one if you have one. If you don't have, you can just custom your URL in here. And hope this video helpful for you.